You will love the features of this 2021 INFINITI QX50. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This striking QX50 delivers indulgent luxury and crossover versatility. A host of desirable amenities, smooth power, and advanced safety features let you enjoy every moment of the journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, floor mats, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows. Show the world your style in this exquisitely designed QX50. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.